put a little bit of heat on there to take off that piece of tape. If I need to, I'll put some heat on tape just to take it off, just so it comes off cleanly. It's a good habit to have. I gotta admit, I don't always do it, but when it has too much give, I will do it. I mean, I got my hot air station right here, right in front of me, so of course we'll do it. Make your stuff safe. Make sure that we don't break anything, and because if we break something, it's our responsibility. We have to order that part. It does happen, and yes, I'm sure a lot of shops say, yeah, it never happens. No, we're perfect.